Love. It's what we're called to give. But can we truly love the way God does? Has He created us with the capacity to love as He loves? Or does it feel impossible sometimes? What happens when love feels lost? When loving your neighbor becomes too hard or your passion for ministry fades? How do you find the strength to love again? The Bible shows us what love truly is. Not a feeling, but a choice to act with patience, kindness, and forgiveness. How can we align our hearts with this definition of love? In a world full of betrayal and judgment, simple steps can reignite love. Listening, forgiving, serving. Let us ask ourselves, what will I do today to rediscover my capacity to love? Today on Good Morning Pastor.
Yes, good morning mga kapaglaom. The capacity to love ang atong pagahisgutan. Karon nga kabuntagon, kauban ang ato ang Associate Executive Secretary and our Human Resource Director of Southern Asia Pacific Division, Dr. Mamerto Gingging. Pastor, good morning.
Good morning, Ma'am Charm. Good morning, Sir Awing. Good morning kaninyong tanan mga kapaglaom.
Lagi pa sir, no, happy kami nakabalik na po kadiri sa Hope Channel South Philippines. Actually, Wing, our directors of SSD, sa karon nga year-end meetings, they were like scattered all over SSD territories. So, nagpasalamat ang na si Pastor Mamerto. And Pastor, I would like to take this opportunity to let you greet atong mga kapaglaom diya sa Tablon. Since na kay ginahimo dito nga series matag gabi, it's time for you to greet them, Pastor.
Maayong buntag sa tanan, ilabi na sa mga kaigsunan, mga kagalaan nato diya sa Tablon sa Cagayan de Oro. Dunay series nga gihimo nato ang title ana Salvation Seminar. So every night different angle of salvation. So akong karon ang last.
Makiguban ka dito. Gabi pa sir or hour of worship ka dito?
Gabi. Kada gabi na ako dito og karon nga buntag.
Karon nga buntag. All right, mga kapaglaom. So, sa tanang mga neighboring churches, you can also join Tablon Church and their special Sabbath no with Pastor Mamerto Gingging. Ito katalagsaon na po ni Wing nga nata makauban nga taga SSD. Pastor, kaning capacity to love, we are always saying na God is love, that we should love one another. In fact, napay commandment nga we have to love one another, love our neighbor. Pero are we built nga parihas sa capacity sa Ginoo to love?
That is a very important question, Ma'am Charm, Sir Awing. Ngano? Because you are not just throwing a casual question. That is actually a deep theological question. Very deep. Pero sa make things, long story short, kanay mong pangutana nga, gihimo ba ta with the capacity to love? The answer is yes. We are created by God with that tremendous capacity to love. Kay giingon biya sa Genesis, mga kagalaan, mga kapaglaom, we are made in the image of God. And only when you connect with God nga ma-enhance ng capacity to love.
So naan na. Built-in na sa tuwa. Kaya lang, kung bagawing ma-activate siya kung mo connecta sa Ginoo.
Tinood na, Ma'am Charm, Sir Awing, tungod kay kung imong tan-awon magod ang narrative sa Bible, makita nimo nga misulod ang sala. Then everything becomes imperfect because of the entrance of sin. Ug tungod kay nahimo naman sang imperfect, that capacity to love is diminished to a great extent. Tungod kay ang tao, ang love magod, Charm, seeks an object to love. Pagsulod sa sala, the object now becomes self. Nabali ba? Kaya ang Ginoo, ang object niya, ang tao, others. Pero ang pagsulod sa sala, na-diminish gina to a great extent sa kung giingon tungod kay self naman ang self-love na ba, nasubraan, ang iyan ang kaugalingon.
Kaugalingon.
So kumbaga, Pastor, ang sala nagtudlo sa tao sa pagka-greedy, sa pagka-self-righteous, self-centered.
Exactly.
Because the sin originated from the heart of Lucifer, nga ang iyang self ang iya ang gusto i-highlight, kumbaga sa tong word garo no, mas gipadako ni ang kaugalingan.
Pastor, unsao man nato kung mawala ning gugma labi na sa mga kasilinganan nato, labi na unsao nato pag ministeryo kung mawala ning gugma.
Kana may importante kay nga pangutana, no? I think number one, you need to rediscover your purpose. Why you are created. Because when you discover your purpose, you discover you will see the big picture. How you fit into this maze of humanity. E tanawon maguni mo na mga kaigsunan, mura bag kung kita bitaw ma-focus na kita sa kaugalingon, pero kung mulupad na ka sa kay plano, for example, makita nimo how lapad gid kayo. And I'm just a tiny speck of God's creation. Gamay ra jud kayo. So then, when we focus on ourselves, we see us, and then we don't see the rest. Pero kung mutanaw ka with the eyes of love, with the eyes of faith, kay love magud atong gihisgutan karon, no? Then through that lens, makita nimo nga lahi kayo kung mawala na bitaw na, then it's time for you to connect with God first and foremost, because usually when a person is detached from God, mabulag na gali ka sa Ginoo mga kahigalaan, that is the beginning of your downfall. That is the beginning of kanang mawala ang imong gugma tungod kay love and God. Ako na gining emphasize pag-ayo, no? Love and God in the Bible are one and the same. You cannot separate love and God because they are one and the same. We make the mistake of separating love and God. They are one and the same. That's why the Bible says God is love, love is God.
Curious lang ko, Pastor Ba, because you said once mo disconnect ka.
Sa Ginoo.
I wonder how do we know if we're disconnected? Because most of the times right now, there are people who's very like active sa church or active sa
Nga po sa
ministry. O kanang na, makita ni mo nga, grabe na ayun, pero
Nawala
makita
gugma.
po ni mo ang ilang kaugalingon nga, saan naman siya? Uy, marag
Nawala
too
na po.
legalistic or
Correct.
to something inana, Pastor Ba. How do we know if we're disconnected? Nga naarayapon ka in one train, pero you're no longer ang imong destination, your goal is no longer towards God's direction.
Salamat sa imong pagpangutana. Kani si Charm mga kapaglaom o kani si Awing mahilig gini sila pangutanag mga lisod ng mga pangutana ba. Nanang lisod-lisoron bitaw kita. But anyways, akong tubaguna siya. There is another angle to look at it, no? Especially for example, kamo. Dinhi, no? There is a tendency for you to fall out of love to the things that you are doing, especially when you're doing it for a very long time and you're doing it over and over and over
Routine
again.
na siya.
Nahimong routine. Now it's possible that you're looking at an angle of being burned out.
Agree.
Okay. So mga kaigalaan, I know daghan kayong burnout na. So there are three factors nga mag-lead ana nga mawala imong gugma. Actually nagmanifest na siya sa burnout. Number one, exhaustion. Ikapoy na ka og trabaho ana.
Kapoy na.
Wala pahul labi na kamo. Abi ninyo og taman ra dire magatuba-tuba og kamera pag human ana mag-involve pa sa concept nun sa buhaton sa sunod ang video editing, ang post-work, post-production. Daghan kayo pa nagtrabahoon mga kagalaan. Ang pre-production padaan, o for example, karon 6:30 paaniyon magsugod 6:30. Dili na biya kay 6:30 ka man he. Kinahanglan alas 5 matana ka. Dayon mauna nga, then you are doing it on a daily basis, exhausted ka. Then when exhaustion enters, it develops cynicism. Sa imo ba? Maka-develop kag cynicism nga cynical na kakayo. Then you have a feeling of inefficiency.
Ay, amurag ako na lagi.
You wanted to do more. You wanted to do more, but then
But you
you feel
can't.
like kulang. Ingon ana dayon cynic wala, cynical na ka, kanang tulo, mao na siya manifestation sa burnout. Then you have to guard yourself against that.
I need to guard my heart.
So, self-care is number one. You need to disconnect once sa imong work.
I like
Find
that.
time alone. Find time alone. Talk. You know, ma-amaze bita ko diri mag-walking man kog magabi ko. Na-amaze ko kay gabi alas 9 ngit-ngit naman kayong mga balay. Hipos na kayo diri. Actually, at 10 o'clock, that is my time to go out and walk.
Oh.
Yeah.
10?
10 o'clock.
Lagi.
Dito sa SSD diri, maglakaw ko, git-git na kayo. And I talk to God. I spend time with myself. You have to disconnect from the work and reconnect with God.
I like that thing. I think it's necessary. Like, na-feel na ko, nang kanitong kapoy na, then feeling na, wala na ko ikakuano eh. Maragi kapoy na ko. Sometimes inanap. But then, Andro, kabalo na kahang. Pastor, I want to know, because you said that we are built in to love and for love because we're in the image of God. But there is a certain 1 Corinthians 13 nga definition of love. So how do we make ourselves be aligned with the meaning of love? Because we already have done nga, na-explain na nato, naagyod ang tao, we are created in love, pero mga steps, Pastor, how to be kind, how to be loyal, how to submit ourselves, Pastor.
Yeah. So, kung basahon nimo na mga kapaglaom ang 1 Corinthians chapter 13, you will discover there the itemized definition of what love is. Love is kind, love is patient, love is, and so on and so forth. Taas ka na siya. Sa verse 13, sa last, nag-ingon din ha, Ma'am Charm, Sir Awing, there are 3 things that last. Faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love. Why? That is the question. The greatest of this is love. Why? Because faith and hope are just an expression from the heart, but love is a being. It is God. So, when you go back to reading 1 Corinthians, basahon ni mo balik, you change the word love to God, then you will discover the meaning. God is patient. Love is patient.
Yeah.
Love is kind. God is kind. Kana tanan imong alisdan ng love to God, then you will discover the essence of it.
Wow. Pwede po nga, God is kind. Pwede po, Awing is kind. Awing is patient.
Kung tanaw nimo ang context sa libro sa 1 Corinthians 13 man na. Sa 12 is actually an itemized list of God's calling. Ang uban gitawag pagka-apostol, ang uban gitawag, and so on and so forth. Daghan kayo mga calling sa Ginoo ana. Dahil pagkasulod 13, ingon dayon, bisan pag naa nimo na tanan if you do not have love. So diha ga connect. Kung wala di ay love, kaning tanan nga calling wala na, bisan pag kuyaw kay ka nga engineer, kuyaw kay ka nga teacher, kuyaw kay ka nga doktor, kana tanan, you are but a sounding brass and a tinkling cymbal kung wala ang love. Muna giingon.
Ganahan ko, ana. So, kung muna giingon nila no nga, bisa usap pa ka-bright. Kung wala kay gugma sa uban, dili gyapon ka mahimong effective.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Pastor. Now, it's time, Pastor, to address our viewers. There might be some of them who felt nga they're judged, they are betrayed, they're being heartbroken. What can you tell them to reignite and rekindle their love again?
Well, sa ako nang gikaingon, you need to disconnect in order to connect with God. Okay, spend time. Take care of yourself. Take some time off for yourself. Para sa imong kagalingon. Mo na'y una kay. Then you learn to be organized sa imong schedule. Do not overcommit. Kay daghan na kayo ka, no? Daghan na kayo ka. Pares ganina alas 3 pa kus kadlaw ning mata. Kay ang mga kaigsuunan sa Switzerland, sa Turkey, sa Spain, sa Paris, sa Italy, makigmet man worship niya kada Sabado na. Then naapay si Ma'am Charm nga magsamok-samok dayon nga pastor sa panimbaya sa Kabuntagon. Ma-straight na gini. Pag human ani miingon na
Sabbath school na dayon.
tawag na pud sila nga mag-recording na pud para sa intercessory prayer. Oh, muna example sa overcommitting yourself. Okay ra na basta panagsa.
Dili pirmihon.
Permihon na galang nimo. Namo gilimit ang atong lawas.
Yes.
Kapoy na din kayo.
Ma-feel yun na to, Pastor, no? Especially when we are aging physically, right? Thank you so
Thank you,
much,
Pastor.
mga kapaglam.